Ang cute ng one word at a time, and I like yung word of mouth is my currency.
Oh.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Naili.
Huwag ka na kumanta.
So
for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging performance ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 sa kanilang ginanap na head-to-head challenge, and it's going to be Miss Bicol Region, that's Jane Belasano. For this challenge, ang naging criteria for judging is 60% content and 40% delivery, and unfortunately, hindi siya nakapasok sa top 8 finalists, but we're here for her. So
yes!
Without any further ado, let's watch this.
Marina Adang, my name is Jane Isabel Belasano from Bicol Region.
Yung aura niya talagang only child na, alam mo yun, mabait, no?
Oo. So, grabe yung dimples niya dito.
I grew up having parents who fostered an aptitude for learning, so I essentially
became their only child.
I collected almanacs, I love board games, and I was even an outstanding student ng Albay.
Wow!
My love for learning has led me to pursue a degree in speech-language pathology, where I help kids with special needs and help people with neurological diseases improve their quality of life, especially in the barrios. In my field, I help people one word at a time, in the hopes of changing not just the life of one, but the lives of many. All these are chapters to my story as an exceptionally empowered Filipina.
Ang sweet. Like, ikaw daw, sabihin mo daw yung kanyang profession.
Speech pathology.
Speech pathology.
Speech pathology.
Speech language.
Speech language pathology.
Next, ikaw ba? Speech language pathology.
Pathology.
Pageantology.
Well, hello, Doc Shaila. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again. Now, bringing the practice of speech pathology in the barrios is not something that we hear every day. How can you try to bring to the attention of the world that this is such a noble cause worth pursuing?
First of all, I would like to thank everybody. Thank you for that question because it gives me more exposure to talk about my profession.
True.
And that's exactly what I want to do. Like I've mentioned before, word of mouth is my currency, and the more that I get to talk about my profession, the more people know. And the more people know, the more people understand. And that's the reason why I advocate for my profession, for what I do and what I can offer to my community, so that way we can increase the access to delivery of therapy, of healthcare, and rehabilitation. That way, we cannot just expect one person to do this in the barrio. So what I do won't be such a noble thing anymore. It should just be an everyday thing, a casual thing. So maybe one day, what I do will just be a day-to-day event or day-to-day activity of every person who wants to help change the world one word at a time.
What?
Ang cute ng one word at a time, and I like yung word of mouth is my currency.
Oh.
Ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa kanya actually yung the way siya, or the way niya in-explain yung kanyang advocacy or kung ano yung ginagawa niya is that ayaw niyang solohin yung parang hindi siya ganun, yung bida-bida.
Noble ako, ganyan. Ako lang talaga.
Pero dating niya parang day-to-day activity lang.
She's so grounded na nung narinig niya na, eto, noble cause ito, parang sabi, hindi. Pag nalaman to ng marami at maraming gumagawa, pwedeng maging...
At least pwede tayong magtulungan. Magkakaroon ako ng karamay. So marami yung matutulungan sa kanilang paggaling or sa kanilang therapy. So it's gonna be... Kumbaga, siguro sa ngayon, noble pa sa kasi mag-isa lang ako dun sa Albay or diba, kukunti pa lang kami sa Pilipinas. But then again, that's my mission to, you know...
Yes. For me, target yung ano niya, sagot niya.
Sayang, bakit kaya?
Hindi, I think more on sa delivery kasi masyado siyang passionate. Alam mo na yung pag
naano ka ng emotion mo. Yeah.
Lesson can we learn from failing?
Oh, okay. So, I grew up to be an achiever. So, essentially, failing was never an option for me. It was really hard to understand what I can do from failure because I never really aimed for that. But I had this instance in college. I was an achiever from grade school to high school, and then come college, I failed one class. It's a class that my dad would teach me even at home, because my dad's an engineer. I failed a trigonometry class, and it was so painful for me that I had to do it over summer. On the summer where I was supposed to have my debut. So I never got to have that. Anyway, the essence of that failure was a reminder for me that I'll probably do other things. I cannot just be shelved or boxed in being an overachiever. I can actually find somewhere else where I can, find my passion into, and that's where I found myself volunteering. So over the summer class, I actually volunteered for a tutoring service for kids. So that's important for me that I find other ways to achieve even despite the failures. And what's important is not how you failed, but how you stood up from that failure. And I may not be an A+ student anymore, but I know that in my heart that I have achieved in other ways as well.
Ang ganda nun, di ba? Ang cute nun. Siguro, bakit kaya? Siguro yung kasi, yung the way niya dinideliver yung thoughts niya, medyo baka hindi masyadong na-impress yung judges. But I felt that, and it was so sincere.
Oo.
I don't know.
At some point kasi naghahanap pa rin sila ng yung queenly delivery na yung syempre yung grace of a queen, grace of yung parang celebrity magsalita, parang ganun. So may ganung factor pa rin na pero otherwise kung wala yung mga ganun, dapat pasok talaga siya kasi content. Diba?
Ang ganda nun. And just siguro a word for her is continue what she's doing kasi ang amazing ng ginagawa niya. Hindi lang siya maganda, kundi meron siyang mga causes na nakakatulong sa kanyang community, and
she deserves an award actually.
Bigyan mo.
Heart na lang. Support.
So, ayun. Ikaw, anong failure mo? Ang pinaka-ano mo na failure?
Greatest failure. Ang dami ko ng failure actually.
Ako, ang pinaka-greatest failure ko, pharmacology. Charot. Tres.
Subject pala ito. Akala ko failure in life.
Pharmacology, ano pa yung isa? May incomplete, thesis.
Ako, archery. Bagsak to yung archery ko.
Kasi duling ka kasi talaga in person.
Uy, di naman, grabe. Mali
So, ayan guys. And, ayun. So, ano masasabi nyo? Dapat ba pasok siya? Para sa amin, pasok siya. We love her, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang reaction. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming, so keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!